nagtrabaho ka ba as a dancer boy? Maaari ka ba gumiling? Ang sugat-sugat ng mga giling-giling? This is the time to show your talent for that genre, okay? And DJ, we will be needing like a sexy music. You have to dance this as you walk to the bride. And you have to get the garter not using your hand, but using your mouth. Okay? So, hulat-hulat na kita. Okay? And also, I would like to remind everyone that right after we play the garter game, we will find our junior groom and junior bride. Okay? Now, for those male na mga single, we will be needing your participation later on. And for those females na single, we also need your participation. Are you now ready, Mr. Louie?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Louie. Kailangan imo paglakat diri normal. You have to dance from here, over here, until ma-reach mo imam. And you have to get the garter. Ready? I know you are ready. In 1, 2, 3, DJ music please. Ayan! Wow! Sige ba? Hindi rin pwede. Kailangan na sayaw. Ubos! Yes! Ayan! Ubos ba? Go! Ubos mo na upaya. Wow! Diba? May talent na yan. Sige ba? Pekahe! Pekahe! Ayan! There! Lower! Ayan, Miss Wow, Mr. Louie. Go, go, go! Go! Itinaway mo ang Doris! Sige, go. You have to get the garter now using your mouth, ha? Yes! Wow! There you go! Once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po natin si Mr. Louie and Ma'am Doris. Thank you so much. Now,